नमस्कार, न्याय टीवी में आप सभी दर्शकों का स्वागत है। कोर्ट राउंडअप की खबरें अब विस्तार से। जस्टिस एसए बोबडे के लिए वर्चुअल विदाई समारोह में बोलते हुए एससीबीए अध्यक्ष और वरिष्ठ वकील विकास सिंह ने बताया कि कैसे निवर्तमान सीजेआई में अभिनेता शाहरुख खान को बाबरी मस्जिद राम जन्मभूमि विवाद की मध्यस्थता प्रक्रिया में शामिल करने का सुझाव दिया था। सिंह ने कहा, मुझे एक रहस्य से अवगत कराने दे। जस्टिस बोबडे अयोध्या विवाद पर सुनवाई कर रही संविधान पीठ का हिस्सा थे। जब मामला प्रारंभिक चरणों में था तो जस्टिस बोबडे का मानना था कि इसे मध्यस्थता के माध्यम से सुलझाया जा सकता है। इसे याद किया जा सकता है कि उन्होंने मामले के मध्यस्थता के लिए संदर्भित करने के लिए एक खुली अदालत में सुझाव दिया था। उस समय जब वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता श्रीराम पंचू और अन्य लोग मध्यस्थ के रूप में नियुक्त किए गए थे।
Amongst the notable judgments delivered by Justice Bobde, of course, nobody can forget the Ayodhya dispute. Justice Bobde, as part of the Constitution bench in this historic decision, unanimously ordered the construction of a temple in the disputed site. In December 19, we headed a bench that put quietus to the Ayodhya verdict by dismissing 18 review petitions filed against various aspects of the judgment. While on the Ayodhya dispute, I must give out one secret between me and Justice Bobde. While he was in the initial stages of the hearing, he was very firm of the view that the Ayodhya dispute should be settled by mediation. And if you all will recall, it was his suggestion in open court that Mr. Panchu and the other three people were appointed to look into a possible mediation. While that mediation process was on, and just see the commitment of Justice Bobde for the mediation, that he asked me, because he knew that I knew the family of Shahrukh Khan, that whether Shahrukh Khan would be interested in participating in this mediation if the mediation were to go forward. I discussed this matter with Shahrukh Khan and he was more than willing to be a part of this mediation, because he felt that the best way this country, Hindu Muslims, can live peacefully is that there should be complete complete religious harmony in this country. And he suggested, in fact, that there should be the foundation stone of the Hindu temple laid by some prominent Muslims, and vice versa, the foundation stone of the mosque be laid by some prominent Hindus. Unfortunately, the mediation did not go ahead, but the thought of Justice Bobde of trying to get this matter mediated is definitely salutary, because this is something which would have really shown how we can live
सिंह ने जारी रखा, लेकिन जस्टिस बोबडे की मध्यस्थता के प्रति प्रतिबद्धता ऐसी थी कि ये जानकर कि मैं शाहरुख खान के परिवार को जानता हूँ, उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि क्या शाहरुख खान मध्यस्थता प्रक्रिया में भाग लेने के लिए इच्छुक होंगे। इसलिए मैंने शाहरुख खान से बात की और वो इच्छा से भी ज्यादा तैयार थे। उन्होंने कहा कि देश में इस तरह के धार्मिक सद्भाव के माध्यम से हिंदू और मुसलमान एक साथ शांति से रह सकते हैं। वास्तव में उनका सुझाव ये था कि हिंदू मंदिर की नींव कुछ प्रमुख मुस्लिम व्यक्तियों द्वारा रखी जा सकती है, मस्जिद की नींव प्रमुख हिंदू व्यक्तियों द्वारा रखी जा सकती है।
Justice Bobde has some recent very notable judgments which I think I must mention. To bring uniformity in investigation and trial proceedings in criminal cases across the country and to wrap up hearings in a time-bound manner, a bench headed by Justice Bobde directed that all high courts and governments to follow the rules approved by the Supreme Court earlier. As per the rules, a schedule should be fixed by the trial court to hold proceedings, preferably on a day-to-day basis. An application for bail in non-bailable cases must ordinarily be disposed of within 3 to 7 days from the date of first hearing. It is also said that state government shall appoint advocates other than public prosecutors to advise the investigating officers during the probe. The bench directed all high courts to take expeditious steps to incorporate the rules within 6 months. It also directed state governments and center to make consequential amendments to their police and other manuals within 6 months. This, according to me, will change the way criminal justice system is being dealt with by this country. It's a complete game changer as far as this is concerned. Another bench headed by Justice Bobde addressed the issue of massive vacancies in court. Today we have about more than 400 vacancies of high court judges in the country. The bench presided over by Justice Bobde prescribed a mandated timeline for the union government to fix the appointment of judges in the High Court. While the existing MOP has not suggested a period within which the centre must forward its recommendation to the Supreme Court Collegium, The bench set down 18 weeks to complete this process. Currently, of the 410 vacancies, 213 recommendations are in the process with the government or the Supreme Court Collegium, while recommendations have not come from the High Court Collegium for the 197 vacancies. In these proceedings, I had mentioned that SCBA lawyers should be considered for elevation to the High Court as a routine rather than as an exception. Justice Bobde presided over the bench, agreed in open court. How to implement was only remaining to be formalized. It is our very firm belief that actually High Courts are having problems in getting good names. And if they consider the names of the lawyers practicing in the Supreme Court, the basket of having a good names will be much bigger, and accordingly it will help the justice delivery system in getting better people to be elevated to the higher courts.
फिलहाल बस इतना ही। अन्य खबरों के लिए जुड़े रहिए न्याय टीवी के साथ। नमस्कार।